Holy shucks. That's not what a little Mini X is supposed to look like. I gotta fix some stuff.
Heather, did you see that? We should get another truck.
Turn left onto Business Boulevard, then turn right onto Old Glen Highway.
Something with more fuel economy.
Yeah, I think it'll be an awesome option. Oh, that's not.
To rent or to buy? That is the question.
I have a video of me crossing that low bridge. I was like, well, I guess we figured it out.
What low bridge?
Alright, so we're not 15'10". We know that. We just found that out. Good risk, made it. Good to know, good to know. We're going to buy a snowcat. But instead, we bought a crane. So priorities, right? Can't quite go up there yet. But at least we'll be able to build our barn without having to rent any equipment. Winning.
But guess what we get to do today?
Do I get to put a harness on?
We're gonna play around with the crane. The green machine is how we're calling it. So we wanna move a few things around at the property and familiarize ourselves with the control and its limitations and capabilities. So hopefully we don't break anything.
Yeah, and maybe if all goes well, maybe pluck a few trees.
Pluck a few trees today?
Maybe.
What do you mean, like pulling weeds? I don't know. Maybe we'll do that. I don't know. But we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna see what we've got a few logs on the property that we need to restack. So we're not gonna do it with the little Mini X. We're gonna do it with the green machine.